Hello everybody, this is Jared Farkas, and today we're going to learn a little bit about mangoes. Mangoes are ranked 7 in the world, among other fruits, basically behind bananas, oranges, grapes, apples, coconuts, and plantains. And another thing that's interesting about these mangoes is they're actually part of the cashew family, which is pretty interesting. The majority of the mangoes that are imported into the United States come from Mexico, but they're also imported from other countries like Peru, Ecuador, Brazil, and other countries that are tropical. Mangoes survive in a tropical climate, so like many Floridians, I'm lucky to have one in my own backyard. As you can see, the mangoes are getting very large. When they're ripe, they'll usually turn a yellowish-orangish color and will drop from the tree. Some mangoes will drop prematurely, like we have some over here that have dropped earlier. If you actually shake the tree, you will actually get some mangoes to fall as well. But for the best flavor, you want to wait till the mangoes actually drop on their own. Sometimes they'll drop for other reasons, maybe squirrels or the wind. During hurricanes, stuff like that, the tree might not be able to hold the fruit. So basically, at this point, some of the mangoes can ripen off of the tree as well. If I take a large mango, like this one perhaps, and picked it from the plant, if I brought it inside, it would definitely ripen on its own. But like I said, it's best for you to wait for them to drop so that, the taste is better and they ripen better on the tree. Typical season for mangoes in South Florida is late April into May, but mangoes are available year-round. This just means that you might pay more for a mango in January than in June. Mangoes do contain a lot of nutrients. When the mango tree is immature, the vitamin C content is actually higher than when they're ripe. When it ripens, the amount of beta-carotene, which is vitamin A, increases. Also, the flowers of a mango tree are usually yellowish and red in color. Let's see if you can see some of the flowers. Most of these flowers have bloomed. Right now you see many of the greenish leaves that are coming off of the tree. But bees rarely pollinate the mango tree. More flies and hoverflies will pollinate the tree. Mango trees are interesting because few of its flowers actually produce fruit. That's because mangoes are monoecious. They're basically self-fertile, so the tree can produce fruit without cross-pollination. The mango bears functioning male and bisexual flowers, which is known as polygamy. The ratio of male to bisexual flowers varies based on different aspects of the tree's environment. One being lower the temperature in the environment means less bisexual flowers. And another interesting thing about the tree is that it is classified as a phaeotrophyte, meaning that it has an extensive root system that allows the tree to get nutrients and water deep into the soil. This is why a mango tree can survive long droughts. It also depends on droughts and flooding because it develops hypertrophied lenticles on the trunk of the tree, which are basically oversized pores in which gases are exchanged between the plants and the atmosphere. This in turn increases the oxygen to the tree's roots when long periods of flooding could occur. The mango tree can grow in almost any soil, whether it be like the sandy soil that you see here in the backyard. It can also grow in other types of soil, loam soil, which consists of sand, silt, and clay. And like I said, when the mangoes are ripe, they'll drop, and it's important to collect them daily because insects are quick to attack these delicious little fruits, as you can see here. This tree can produce a couple hundred mangoes, and they're always nice gifts for friends and family. This tree has a lot that are just ready to drop. They're very delicious to eat, so it's always fun to come and collect them during the week. Daily is best, so that the insects don't get them first. Basically, I hope you learned a bunch of new interesting facts about mangoes, and you have a great day.